Hey everybody, Phil with A-1 Duct Cleaning and Chimney Sweep here. I got a ton of creosote that I pulled out of a chimney. I'm going to go show it to you and kind of explain what creosote is. This is really cool. So not cool for the owner, but cool that it's out of there. All right, so what we got here is an entire 5-gallon bucket full of creosote. And what this is normally chimney soot is just like a fine powder, but what happened here is it actually starts to turn into this kind of almost like a pumice or honeycomb like substance. But you'll see how porous that is, how much air can get in there, and that's when it's gone too far. And basically this is what catches on fire in your chimney. So I got all that out of there. That's actually half of it. The other half is in my vacuum here. So I got it out with this guy here, and all these poles, my chimney brushes. So that's pretty much it. So give us a call at 949-940-6920.